Hi, dear students. Welcome to the Social Science online class, 8th Standard History, 2nd chapter, Geographical Features and Prehistoric India. In the first part of this chapter, we have discussed the influence of geographical environment in the life of people and the relationship between human life and environment. Today, in this session, we are going to understand the prehistoric period. Here, we are going to learn the life of prehistoric man and the changes of their lifestyle according to different period of time. The prehistoric period. The period before the discovery of the art of writing is called the prehistoric age. This is so because we do not find evidence of the linguistic development or the use of script. We do not get any written records for the study of history of this period. As we learned in our previous classes, to write history or to know history, the historians need sources, mainly written records. But in this prehistoric period, we have no evidence from literary sources. The scholars who study the prehistoric age are called archaeologists. And archaeology is the study of human activity through the recovery and analysis of material culture. Archaeologists have discovered a few tools created and used by people in the prehistoric age. Probably they used tools made of stone, wood, and bones. Among these tools, the tools made of stones have survived today, providing us source for study. According to archaeologists, man was nomad and indulged in hunting and food gathering. As a nomad, people in this period wandered in search of food and shelter. To hunt animals and collect food, they used tools made of stone, wood, and bones. Human beings in this age used stone tools to peel the skin and separate the flesh and bones of animals. The stone tools also used to scrape the bark of trees and to cut fruits and roots. To hunt animals, the people used to create handles out of bones and wood and used them like spears and arrows. They used stones as axes to chop down the trees and cut them up into the logs. They used wood to build huts for themselves and make handles for their weapons. Children, at present, we can see a large number of people living in cities and towns because there we get almost all facilities for our survival. In the same way, in the prehistoric age, man lived in place where they were able to get sufficient stone tools and water. Such places are called industrial site of humans in prehistoric age. The relics of the hunting and food gathering humans are available in Bhimbetka, Hansagi, and Kurnool in India. There are many other sites in which such relics have been found. Most of the sites have been found along the banks of rivers and lakes. Since stone tools were essential for the survival of people of that age, they chose areas abandoned with stone which could fulfill their needs. Areas where people used stones to create various tools have been thought to be the first industrial site of human beings. Usually, we get to see stone tools around rocky areas. People might have rejected some rocks as unsuitable for their tools. Heaps of broken rocks or stone chips obtained during the creation of implements abound in industrial areas. It is possible that people lived for a long time in these places. These sites are called residential and industrial sites. Knowledge of fire. The sign of ashes have been obtained in the caves of Kurnool. They reveal the knowledge and the use of fire by the people of the Stone Age. Probably, fire was used for various purposes to cook food, for light, and to fight against animals. Drawings found in caves. We get to see some drawings in many caves in which people lived in the Stone Age. Even today, we can see these drawings done on the walls of caves and on rocks. Such carved drawings can be seen in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Karnataka. These are beautiful drawings of wild animals and huntings. Around 10,000 years ago, lot of changes took place in the life of nomadic man. Instead of leading a nomadic and food gathering life, the prehistoric man started to lead domestication of animals and later they started to lead a settled life. Now let us see how the life of people changed from nomadic to settled. It is believed that 12,000 years ago, a major change took place in the Earth environment. The temperature of the Earth began to gradually increase. This led to the development of grassland in many places. Birds and animals began to multiply in unprecedented manners. A large number of animals like deer, elks, goats, sheep, and others prospered in these grasslands. Human beings who had been hunting animals began to observe their nature, food habit, and the way these animals multiplied. Over a period of time, they captured some of these animals and brought them up. Like this, animal husbandry and daring started by the prehistoric man. Later, human beings learned to catch fishes in streams and lakes. Human beings noticed in the meantime that some grass bearing grains had grown naturally. They learned to use them as food. The grains are cereals like rice, wheat, and barley obtained from such plants. Gradually, they learned to grow them. Archaeologists divide prehistoric age into three groups. They are Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and New Stone Age. Old Stone Age. The age that prevailed 2 million years ago is the oldest age. It is called the Old Stone Age. The people who lived in the Old Stone Age were ape men. They generally lived in natural caves, rock shelters, or hollows in the tree trunks. The Old Stone Age stretches over a period of 12,000 years. This long duration has been classified into three stages. They are Early Old Stone Age, Middle Old Stone Age, Later Old Stone Age. Middle Stone Age. The period from 12,000 years to around 10,000 years is called the Middle Stone Age. Hunting of smaller animals and catching of fish become common during this period. For this purpose, men used small stone weapons. Hence, this age is known as Microlithic Age. As the tools of this period are generally very small, they are called delicate stone tools. People of this time used to fix these stone tools with the handles made out of wood and bones. They used these tools as axes and saws. The New Stone Age. The New Stone Age began after 10,000 years. The stone tools of this period are different from those of the earlier period. The stone weapons of this age took a definite shape. Stone weapons were given shape by rubbing them and making them smooth and shining. These tools were bright and had sharp edges. People of this age used grinding stones for grinding leaves and herbs and grains and cereals. In this age, men settled down on the earth and started agricultural activities. The crops of grains cultivated on the land required baskets and vessels to store them. Thus, weaving of baskets and shaping of earthen vessels were discovered. Some pots and pans of this period have been found. Pots were used for storing grains. They were also used for cooking rice, wheat, and other grains and cereals. Man secured some sort of control over nature. He learned the use of wheel and shaped vessels with its help. Vehicles with the wheel were invented for transport. People of this age had learned to weave clothes